you through how to fit raisers to the other type of chair you're going to come across. And unfortunately I don't have one of those chairs to show you, but it's the divan type chair. So it's your little boxy chair that has the little casters on. So this is what you'll be raising that chair with. So this is your multi-purpose raiser. So you'll have this cup here. It's multi-purpose because we can stick a leg in here. This is load bearing. This is also load bearing. So we can use this to raise this type of chair. You'll have your wing nut here again. So if you've got quite a big chair, we can get it to the height that we want. And we'll also use these on divan beds. So if you can imagine this as a divan bed and you've got 4 casters, you're going to have that at the head end under the bed, and you're going to have this at the bottom under the bed. Now these little bits here are going to be for the corners. So if I show you with this box, say this is your divan, the corner of the divan bed goes here. So these little upstands grip onto the corners, and that's what makes it safe. So once you've got your divan on your raiser, then you can tighten your wing nut like you would do with the other raise. So just get under the bed and tighten up your wing nut. Like I said, we can also use these to raise that type of chair if it's got casters. These are the clip-ons. So if we want to raise that bed a bit higher, and it's got to be done evenly. So if you put one clip on onto one of these raising units, you're going to do it for each point, okay? These will just clip into each other, okay? So take that one, pop it on there, press it in. I've done one there, so I'm going to do one for each of my other units. There we go. Also, just to point out, if you go out and you've been asked to raise a big double heavy bed, we have got bed jacks in stores, so you can ask for those and they can lift the bed up for you, so you don't need to. So you can just slide these underneath and then get your bed raised. So that's your bed raised and your boxy chair raised.